Has your Georgia LLC been administratively dissolved? Losing your business's good standing can have serious consequences, including loss of liability protection and the inability to legally operate. But there's good news. You may be able to reinstate your business and restore its legal status. Reinstatement allows you to bring your dissolved Georgia LLC back to active status without having to form an entirely new business entity. This process involves filing specific paperwork with the Georgia Secretary of State and addressing any compliance issues that led to the dissolution. Before diving into the reinstatement process, it's important to understand why businesses get dissolved in the first place. The most common reasons include failure to file annual registration reports, non-payment of state taxes, not maintaining a registered agent, or violating Georgia business laws. If your business was dissolved for any of these reasons, you'll need to resolve these issues before proceeding with reinstatement. To reinstate your LLC in Georgia, you'll need to submit a reinstatement application to the Georgia Secretary of State's Corporations Division. This requires your business control number, which you can find using the search function on the Secretary of State's website if you don't have it handy. The standard fee for reinstatement is $250, with an additional $100 if you need expedited service. Keep in mind that Georgia imposes a 5-year limit for reinstatements. If your business has been dissolved for more than 5 years, you'll need to form a new entity instead. The reinstatement process follows several key steps. First, check your LLC's status using the Georgia Secretary of State's Business Search tool to confirm its dissolution status. Next, resolve any outstanding issues such as overdue taxes, penalties, or fees. Then complete the reinstatement form available on the Corporations Division website. When filling out the reinstatement application, you can make certain changes to your business information. This includes updating your registered agent, changing your principal business address, or modifying the members and managers listed for your LLC. After completing the form, submit it along with the required fee. Standard processing typically takes 5 to 10 business days, while expedited requests are processed more quickly. Once approved, your business will be restored to good standing with the state. Tax compliance is a crucial part of the reinstatement process. Before your LLC can be reinstated, you must meet all state tax and compliance requirements. This includes filing any overdue annual reports, settling unpaid state business taxes, paying penalties and late fees imposed by the Georgia Department of Revenue, and ensuring compliance with business license requirements. In some situations, forming a new LLC might be a better option than reinstatement. This approach may be preferable if your LLC has been dissolved for over 5 years, making reinstatement impossible. It might also make sense if the cost of reinstating, including all late fees and penalties, exceeds the cost of starting fresh. Creating a new LLC instead of reinstating requires choosing a new business name or reserving your original name if still available, filing articles of organization, obtaining a new employer identification number from the IRS, and registering for state taxes and business licenses. Operating an LLC that's not in good standing carries significant risks. Your business cannot legally conduct operations, sue or defend against lawsuits, or access financial institutions. Perhaps most importantly, the limited liability protection that shields your personal assets is compromised, meaning owners may face personal liability for business debts and obligations. Reinstatement restores these legal protections and allows your business to resume normal operations. The process might seem daunting, but addressing it promptly can save you from more serious complications down the road. Whether you choose to reinstate your existing LLC or form a new one, consulting with a business attorney or accountant can help determine the best course of action based on your specific situation. The right approach depends on factors like how long your business has been dissolved, the reasons for dissolution, and your future business plans. Maintaining your business in good standing through timely annual filings and tax compliance is the best way to avoid dissolution in the first place. But if you find yourself needing to reinstate your Georgia LLC, following these steps will help you navigate the process successfully and get your business back on solid legal ground.